Hey guys, this is Mercy. Did you know that Google is offering free career certification that will help you land your first job, or as well it can offer you that new opportunity in your career. I know that now you're wondering where I got such idea from. I got this idea from DMs like this. Those of you who are interested in starting their hustle but they don't have any reputable skill. If you're new here, hi, hello. My name is Lensa. I work online and I love sharing side hustles ideas. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to gain in-demand Google tools that will help you to make more than $100,000 per year working with Google certifications. So if we take a look at Google Trends, we are going to find that the interest in Google certification has skyrocketed over the last couple of years. This is because a number of companies are looking for people like you who are well versed in the skill set that I'll be sharing with you in this video. So this is why you need to stick around. If you haven't subscribed, then here's a chance. I'm giving you 1 minute to subscribe. Hit that like button. Give this video a thumbs up so that Google knows that, so that YouTube knows that this is the type of content that you want to watch. And remember to leave a comment down in the comment section. That one will really help me. It will really give me that energy to keep producing more and more content just for you. Yeah, so let's jump right into this video. I'm going to grab my laptop and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. And you need to stick around for I'll be sharing with you tips and tricks on how to find these jobs and how to materialize everything that I'll mention in this video. So let me grab and let's have a look at it. Once you've grabbed your laptop, you're going to Google search Google.Skillshop and it will get you to this page. So this is the landing page, and once you're here, you can have a look, you can explore more. And the good thing about this certification is that it can be accessed by anyone from all over the world. Yeah, it doesn't matter whether you are located. So you can explore more and get to know all this. And once you've gotten your certification and once you've gotten the knowledge, you can come here and get certified. Yes, whether it's Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, ways. Yeah, so you'll just come here and get your certification, which will get you started with your career working with Google certification. Yeah, so let's have a look at which skills can you get from Google Skillshop that will help you make money. So we are going to have a look at the free Google certifications. We're going to click get started. Once we are here, there's a ton of tools that we can see, ton of topics here as we can see. So for somebody might be interested in almost everything, but I'll advise that you do a niche, just niche down for you to specialize in a particular field. Yeah, that way it will be easier for somebody to contact you. Yeah, they'll know that in case somebody is in need of, let's say for example, Google Ads, they'll have to reach you. Yes, so let's click for example Google Ads. Let's be specific. On Google Ads, there's ton of certifications that you can get, but let's specify on Google Ads certification. Yeah, we are going to click on this one. Once we are here, under these as well, there's tons of them. For a beginner, it takes 2.6 hours. Yeah, so we can see the duration of the courses. The shorter one takes 5 minutes, while we have longer taking up to 20 minutes. So we can focus on the first two, but for somebody who is hungry for knowledge and for making money online, you can go ahead and almost have a look at everything under Google Ads certification. Yeah, so let's have a look at Google Ads display certification. We're going to click this. Once we are here, validate your expertise using Google Display to display results that get most from your display advertising investment. Certified users will demonstrate their ability to develop effective display strategies and campaigns that achieve specific marketing goals. By earning the Google Ads display certification, Google recognizes your ability to translate a vision for online marketing into a coherent digital marketing strategies. Nowadays, you find that a number of people have moved their companies or businesses online and they'd like to get higher ranking on Google. Yeah, so once you get your certification, this is what it will help you to do. And remember that the word Google yeah, it will really sell you. Yeah, so who doesn't know about Google? Everyone does, right? Yeah, unless you're living under a rock, which I know you don't. Yeah, so once you have this Google, it will really sell you. Yeah, and the word certifications, yeah, most companies need to see that you have that certification for you to get started working for them. Yeah, so once you have gained your certification from this Google, you can as well go back to google.skillshop. Then you get your certification as I mentioned earlier when we landed on this page. So let's say that you've already gained your certification. How are you going to get started? How are you going to start making money using this certification? So for this one, know that with this certification, we are not going to target big companies. We are going to start small, then we'll scale it up as time goes by. Yeah. So first, you can even offer somebody free, you can offer free, let's say free service for, let's say 3 months. You can offer it maybe to your friends, or maybe you can advertise yourself on LinkedIn, then you'll grow as time goes by. You can even get, referral from your friends. Yes, so that one is another way. Another way that is a sure bet is we are going to head over to fiverr.com. I mentioned fiverr.com in my other video, and I'll mention it here again. Somebody might be wondering that, oh, Fiverr is kind of flooded, like everyone is selling on Fiverr. But trust me, you can make your fortune out of Fiverr. Yes. So how are we going to get jobs using our skill set? We are going to write specifically Google Ads. We are going to be specific. When we write Google Ads, we are going to get tons of them: Google Ads Expert Manager, AdWork, Setup, AdSense. So for us, we are going to go with the generic Google Ads. We are going to search Google Ads, enter. Then we are going to see tons of sellers like you who have specialized in Google Ads. Yes. So we can have a look at their rate. This one starting at $40. Then this one will set and manage Google Ads AdWork PPC campaign at $90. Then I will set your Google Ads PPC campaigns and meet you at $190. This one will create a Google Ads manager strategy and increase ROI at $890. Yeah, so for you, now that you're a starter, you're going to use, you can get something from one of these sellers' portfolio, then you are going to use them to, maybe you are going to make yours better than what they are already providing. Then remember that you are a starter, you don't have any experience yet, so yours should be something under $70. If he's offering 40, yours can be something between 30 to 20, between 20 to $30. Yes, so that one will get you started into this field. Yes, so once we are here, you can create your profile, then you can use whatever they've used on their portfolio, you make it better, then you can get started on Fiverr as well. Apart from Fiverr, you can as well get such jobs from FlexJob. As you can see here, I'm right on their page. You are going to type FlexJob, you are going to sign up, then you're going to create an account if you are really serious about making money using this method online. Yes, so we are at it right now. So we are going to search by job title stroke keyword. So let's say we are going to search for Google Ads. Once we are here, we are going to filter it, right? We are going to filter that. So once we are at it, Google Ads Specialist, we are going to look for those who require workers from anywhere, yeah, not those based in US or Canada. So we are going to look from anywhere. Google Ads Specialist. As we can see, there are tons of jobs that are being offered under Google Ads, and you can be among the lucky charms who will be making some money using Google certifications on this platform as well. This is something that it is doable. Yes, as I mentioned that people started making money on Upwork writing articles. This is something that you can do as well, and don't wait until it is too late for you to start making money using Google certifications online. Yeah, so if you need more research about this, then please take your time. So that's it, guys. I hope that by now you have already chosen a course that you're going to partake. Yes, and as you can see, they take such a shorter period of time. Yeah, so do everything as I've mentioned in this video and start making your money online. Yes, so that's all with it. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up so that it reaches a wider audience, and drop a comment down in the comment section. Tell me if you've ever heard of anyone who has gained such certifications from Google and is currently earning from it. Yeah, so I love you guys. Let's meet in our next video. Bye y'all.